Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm vedansh. So today I'm going to tell you how to install and set up Ionic. Okay, so let's begin with the installations. So we need to install four softwares in your system so that the Ionic can work fine. Okay, so for that open your browser. Opening, wait. Then you go to the node.js.org. I have kept the link in the description below. So when you open the node.js.org, here Windows installer will come. Or if you have a Mac OS, you can also click on this and install. Okay, so if you click on the any installer, then for Windows, an MSI file will be downloaded, and for Mac OS, a PKG file will be downloaded. Then you just after downloading, just click on the setup. Then some check boxes will come. No need to click on any check boxes. You just click on next. How many times it will come, like that only, next. You can click. Then last install button will come, then you can click on install and node.js will be installed. The next software is Git. You just go to the githcm.com website, then it will come, and the link is in the description below, you can check it. So when you open githcm.com, you will see one page. Okay, so here a download for Windows button is there. You can click on download for Windows if you have Windows, or here is an option for downloading for Mac OS. You can click on that if you have Mac OS. Okay, so if you download one MSI file will be downloaded. I mean, not MSI file. It is a file from Git, which is like a uh, Git setup. The file will be downloaded. Then you just click on the downloaded file so that you will get the file. Then there some next option like that will be there, and some check boxes. Then click on all the check box. No, not click. Don't click on any check boxes, and keep on clicking next button, next. Okay. In the last, you will get an install button. You just click on install button. It will be installed. But for some users, it will be an error for installing in the last, because for some people, in the last of downloading one, it will be get it stuck. Okay, so for, and also you cannot close that git window. So for that you should restart your computer. I also got the same problem. Then I restarted my computer. Then it is fine, and Git is also downloaded. So then the next thing you should download is Android Studio. You should go to developer.android.com. Then one page will appear, and here click on and also I have kept the link in description. Okay, here a download Android Studio button will be there. Just click on that button, and one MSI file will be downloaded. Then don't click or do anything to the check boxes. Keep on clicking next. Then in the last, you just install. So the next thing you should download is Java, Java JDK. So you should go to www.oracle.com, and I have kept the link in the description below. So when you go to the page, one page will appear. Then scroll down. Then here all the download links are given. If you have Linux, you can click on Linux only. If you have Mac OS, you can click on Mac OS download, and more are there. So if you have Windows, you can download the Windows 64-bit or 86-bit also. So when you download it and open it, the one MSI file will be downloaded. Then don't click on any checkboxes and keep on clicking next, and in the last click on install. So the 4 softwares we have to download is completed downloading. So now we should download Ionic and Cordova. Okay, so for that, open the command prompt. Just open it. Yeah, so command prompt is open. So here you should write npm install -g, then ionic, and you should click on enter to run the command. Then it will take some time to do the installation of ionic. Then after installation, this ionic installation is done, and one last installation is there called cordova. For that, you should write this command. I have also kept in the description box below. Okay, so you should write for downloading cordova npm install -g cordova. Then click on the enter to run the command. Then cordova will be downloaded. It takes some time. Then after downloading, your whole uh, ionic setup is done, completed, and you are ready to you are ready to you are ready to use that ionic. Yeah. Okay guys, so bye. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel Best Tutorials. Thank you.